Hello friends, welcome to the Learning Forum. How is everything? Is everything fine? I hope so. Today in this video I shall be focusing the benefits of opting Urdu language as your medium in UPSC. Dear friends, as usual, let's recite a couplet of Urdu language, then I will come back to discuss the benefits. Today's couplet is funny. I think it's the first time that I'm going to recite a funny couplet on this channel. So the couplet is that फिराक़े यार ने बेचैन मुझको रात भर रखा, फिराक़े यार ने बेचैन मुझको रात भर रखा, कभी तकिया इधर रखा और कभी तकिया उधर रखा. Now friends, let's discuss the benefits of opting Urdu language as your medium in UPSC. Have you ever thought that why the UPSC has given the options of 22 languages as the medium of exam? Because every medium has its own importance. Most of the aspirants opt Hindi and English as their medium in UPSC because they get enough study materials and as well as they come from Hindi and English medium background. But opting other than Hindi and English as medium in UPSC is quite challenging and beneficial. Those aspirants who opt other than Hindi and English as their medium in UPSC, they face less competition. And if they are competent in the relevant subjects, they can score good grades. At the same time, they can face some hurdles in terms of availability of the study materials. And the same obstacles apply on Urdu medium. Here also you can get less study materials, but if you hire a good educator who could guide you nicely, who could nurture your skills, then certainly you can come out with flying colors. Because here in UPSC, the content is what matters, not the medium. That's why there are 22 mediums. Keeping these key points within the purview, I have decided to start general studies in Urdu medium, and inshallah by the end of this month we will start the class for which admission is going on. So meanwhile, interested ones can contact on this number for further details. And this was the video. Now I would like to finish this video, and I will surely meet you very soon in my next video. Till then, take your good care and stay connected to the Learning Forum. Bye for now.